Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to show tabs from the same domain in Tab Tooltip in Opera browser. So how to show tabs from the same domain in Tab Tooltip in Opera browser. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Opera browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Opera browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here there are lots of menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this, and scroll down. And tap the setting menu here. Now here you are in the settings menu. Enter the browser menu. Now here you are in the browser menu. Scroll down to find the interface menu. Then tap Show Tabs from the same domain. This feature allows Opera to display all tabs from the same domain when the user hovers over the tab and makes it easier to navigate between related pages. So that's it, the tutorial how to show tabs from the same domain in Tab Tooltip in Opera browser. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.